For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. How to start a personalized items business using free AI. A step-by-step guide. The personalized items industry has gained enormous popularity in recent years, thanks to the increasing demand for custom-made products such as mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, notebooks, jewelry, and home decor. Starting a business in this space can be highly profitable, especially with the help of free artificial intelligence tools that simplify product design, business planning, marketing, and customer service. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start your own personalized items business with the help of free AI resources. Step 1. Define your niche and product focus. Begin by narrowing down the specific category of personalized products you want to sell. Choosing a clear niche will help you target the right customers and reduce competition. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm niche ideas. A good prompt would be, suggest niche ideas for a personalized items business that are currently trending and have low competition. This can return suggestions such as pet-themed mugs, personalized wedding favors, or custom baby blankets. You can also use Google Trends or free market research tools like Answer the Public to explore what kinds of custom products people are actively searching for. These tools can help validate demand for your ideas. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. Developing a business plan is essential for setting clear goals, budgeting, and outlining your strategy. ChatGPT can generate a detailed business plan when prompted properly. Try this prompt. Write a complete business plan for a personalized items e-commerce business targeting customized mugs, shirts, and home decor. Include market analysis, marketing strategy, startup budget, and operations plan. Use Notion AI or Google Docs with AI-powered extensions like Compose AI to help you organize and edit the plan collaboratively and efficiently. Step 3. Design your personalized products with AI tools. Once you know what you want to sell, you'll need designs. Free AI design tools can help you create mock-ups, logos, and product art without needing design experience. Canva's free version includes AI image generation and smart design suggestions. Use their text-to-image feature to create background elements or patterns. You can also use Microsoft Designer or Kittle for free to create vector graphics, logos, or t-shirt designs. Another excellent tool is Leonardo AI, which generates high-quality, stylized images suitable for custom printing. Prompt example for image generation. Create a vintage-style floral design for a personalized tote bag targeting women aged 25 to 40. If you're focusing on text-based designs, use ChatGPT to brainstorm quotes or messages. Try, give me 20 funny coffee quotes for personalized mugs, or list motivational quotes for custom notebooks. Step 4. Set up your online store. Free AI tools can also assist you in setting up your online store. If you're starting with minimal budget, platforms like Etsy are ideal for listing personalized items. You can use AI to generate compelling product descriptions with this prompt. Write a product description for a personalized leather journal with name engraving, targeting gift buyers. If you prefer your own website, consider using Shopify's free trial along with the Shopify Magic tool, which suggests store themes and writes product pages for you. For a fully free option, you can build a basic e-commerce site using Square Online or Big Cartel. AI chatbots like Tidio, free plan available, can be integrated to provide automated customer support. Step 5. Automate product fulfillment with print-on-demand services. To avoid stocking inventory, link your store to a print-on-demand platform like Printful or Printify. These services automatically fulfill and ship personalized items as customers order them. Most integrate directly with Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce. ChatGPT can help you draft communication with suppliers. Use this prompt. Write a message to a print-on-demand supplier asking about lead times and quality assurance for personalized products. Step 6. Develop a brand identity. Strong branding is crucial in the personalized items market. Use AI tools like Loca or Namelix to generate business name ideas. Try this prompt on Namelix. Generate creative and modern brand names for a custom t-shirt and gift business. To create a logo, you can use Canva, Microsoft Designer, or Logo Maker, all of which offer free AI-assisted design templates. For brand tone and story development, prompt ChatGPT with write a brand story for a personalized home decor brand that focuses on sustainability and family values. Step 7. Create a marketing plan with AI. Marketing is where AI can offer powerful advantages. Ask ChatGPT, write a 30-day digital marketing plan for a new personalized items business using Instagram, Pinterest, and email marketing. For content creation, use free AI tools like Copy.ai or Jasper free trial to generate social media captions, hashtags, and blog posts. Prompt example, write 10 Instagram captions for personalized birthday gifts. You can also use Canva's Content Planner or Buffer's free plan to schedule posts in advance. For email marketing, MailChimp's free plan comes with AI content tools that help draft subject lines and emails based on customer behavior. Step 8. Test your products and collect feedback. Before scaling, test a small batch of products and gather feedback. Use Google Forms or Tally to collect customer opinions. You can ask ChatGPT to help you write the survey. Write 10 customer feedback questions for buyers of custom mugs and shirts. This will help you fine-tune your designs, prices, and packaging. You can also use AI sentiment analysis tools like Monkey free plan to automatically interpret open-ended feedback responses. Step 9. Optimize pricing and operations. Pricing is crucial to profitability. Use a prompt like, help me calculate ideal pricing for personalized t-shirts using print on demand, assuming base cost of $10, shipping cost of $5, and desired profit margin of 30%. For operational efficiency, AI tools like Trello with Butler, automation tool, or Notion AI can help you manage your production calendar, marketing tasks, and inventory tracking. Conclusion. Starting a personalized items business no longer requires extensive design skills, big budgets, or a full-time team. Free AI tools can assist you with everything from business planning and design creation to marketing, customer service, and analytics. The key is knowing how to prompt these tools correctly and use them strategically. With consistent effort and creative execution, you can build a profitable business that offers customers something unique and memorable. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.